Your lease could make you responsible for repairs where you didn't even cause the damage. In Scotland, many commercial leases are FRI, fully repairing and insuring, meaning you take on all repairs, even for issues that existed before you moved in. By contrast, an IR lease limits your duty to internal repairs only. The difference could be tens of thousands of pounds. It's really important that you always get a survey done, negotiate limits before signing, and enter into a schedule of condition which sets out the condition of the building before you proceed. Direct message me or visit us at jamiesonlaw.legal if you want to speak to us about repairing obligations in Scottish leases.